How to fix Snapchat camera full screen. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. So I'm gonna show you how to fix the full screen problem on your Snapchat. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager right here, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Or what you want to do next is scroll until you find Snapchat. When you find it, click on it. And now click on this option here, it's called Force Stop. And then go to the storage or the internal storage. Click on Clear Data and click on Delete. Go back and now click on the permission. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Exactly like this. Now restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.